Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from JetBeam. Now this here is their Keychain light. This is called the Mini 1. Now this thing puts out 500 lumens on the highest output. Comes in this packaging here. Now I was sent this by JetBeam directly. This is the UV version. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up and see what's in. Give me a little bugger to get out of there. And we've got some stuff here. And we've got a key ring, which I'll be putting that on. Here's show you the specs here. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Remember, 500 lumens this little keychain puts out on the highest output. There it is. Now right offhand, I notice this is metal, all metal, no plastic. So this is impressive. Feels solid. It's got some weight to it too. Here's the charging port there. This is a Type C, and yes, it will rapidly charge it. Side button there. Two LEDs here, red and blue, green LED here. And you've got the UV LED. Style and design on this is very nice. Really like the shine on this. And the machining and finish on this is excellent. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at special optics. This is running the Cree XP-G3 LED. Alright, well normally I would open it up, show you the insides, but this is a sealed unit. So let's go ahead and get straight to the UI. UI is pretty straightforward on this, kind of like it's pretty easy. You can use it as a pressure switch for the highest output there. Pressing it down, releasing it. If you click it one time quickly, will come on the lowest. Press and hold to go through those light outputs. Or you can press it down and hold until you get to the light output that you want. That's the highest output. Look at the beam on this. It's actually pretty nice. It does have a little bit of a spill area here. Not a huge one, it tapers off, but it's got a nice hot spot there. Now this is a cool white, probably about 6,000 K. That is impressive light output. And we'll go back down. Now you want to get to the side lights. We're going to go ahead and double click. Now you have these side lights. Pretty interesting. Going through all the colors. Okay, so now when you want to change the mode on this, you press and hold. That's like a flasher in red. Press and hold again. Solid red. You have green. You have blue. And you have red and blue strobe. Now we're back to the original special mode that we started out with. Now you can click it one time to turn that off. Now if you want to get the UV light, you're going to triple click this button. 1, 2, 3. Turns on the UV. So now let me go ahead and turn off some of these lights and let's see how it works out. Okay, so now that we got the lights turned out, now I'm going to use the UV. And as you can see, you can tell that's got that yellow stripe on the bill. That means it's a real bill. Nice to be able to have this on your key ring. That way you could easily check your bills yourself and see that line there. Throw on a pair of white socks. Goes to show you it will reflect them like they're glowing. Impressive. So now let me go ahead and get the lights back on. Alright, now they've got the lights back on. Again, impressive performance, impressive build quality as well, and it just looks sharp. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little JetBeam Mini 1 keychain light. So let's go ahead and get started, see how it does. And you can see it's on the lowest level, great for up close and personal. Yeah, see about 12, 13 feet, which is good. Go to the next level. 35 feet to that water spout. Oh, it's this little keychain light. It is faintly making 65 feet to that tree there. Nice. There it is on the fence. Give me an idea how the beam looks. Bring it over here. See how this does. And yeah, it does good. Well, let's go to the next level. See how it does. A little more on the floody side, but still got some pretty good throw. And it is faintly making the tree of life. That's impressive. All from this little light. And there's the highest output there. That's pretty nice. 500 lumens. Plus the fast charging type C port, that is. That's nice. Now it's making the tree of life a lot better. before and after here. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Fantastic performance. Really a nice, solid build quality. Looks are actually quite amazing. Really like the metal body on this keychain light. Now I've done some other ones that are similar in design as this, but they were plastic bodies, and they were from Nitecore. So this one here is a little bit stronger, I feel, as far as it getting scratched. Of course it's going to get scratched, it's metal, but it's not black. And this being a raw surface, I don't think it's going to show as bad as if it was black for scratches with your keys. But just a solid performance from this little light, especially with the additional auxiliary lights. And the nice thing about this is that the UV light is strong enough where you can use it in lower light conditions and be able to detect a fake bill, especially $100 bills, $50 bills. Now I've got to take my hats off to JetBeam on this light. Really solid performance, as well as it looking fantastic. Now I want to thank JetBeam for sending me this to review. Now if this mini one is something you're interested in getting, I'll leave a link down in the description to JetBeam's website. That way you can get this, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from JetBeam to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.